Hi guys, so watch me do my skincare routine. So this is my skincare. So please no hate, I don't know how. So just never mind. So first my face. It has this little thing. And, oh my god. Hello.
Hello. Ayos pa yun. Ay, hindi naman na si ate. Pwede ba yung sa face mo? Oh,
So, face done. So, not done.
Tayo?
Because,
Ayun, tama naman.
because, ay, ba't mo pa ka nakalaman yan? Okay, so it's all gone. Nice. So, my skin. Sige na, ilapin mo na. So first, for my arms, I think.
Hindi sa burger. Kailangan ko na kailangan burger. Eh, kaya pala nagbigay ako.
Just that. And now, for my belly, I'm like going to put some skincare on my belly. I'm not gonna. I don't know, the video is gonna end. I'm going to show it to you later, guys, in the next video. So, goodbye. I'm going to show it to the next video.